Hello guys, my name is Ravi Khemka. Today I show you Procure to Pay cycle in Netsuite live demonstration. So basically this is the flow of Procure to Pay. So in these three roles are comes under the scenario, that is employee, second is manager, third is account payable. So purchase requisition, first we create purchase requisition, then it will be approved, then it will be convert through purchase order manager by manager, review and receipt. Bill and payment comes under the scenario after item receipt, then amortization schedule, review and select bill the bill to be paid, then process payment process, and the final is send check. So this is the process which is basically each company follow that. So come to the Netsuite live demo. So the role is selected as employee center, that is which having a minimum functionality, because the employee is have that roles which is a minimum functionality under this rule. So here you see the dashboard of employee, which is reminder, one task to complete, time tracking, activities, search, calendars, and the purchase tab. So here is enter requisition. So we have to just click on requisition, enter requisition, and the requisition form will be opened. Yes. So in that form we have put the fields that the requisitor is already taken by the user, that is target obgen, and the subsidiary is already selected. If you need, you can change from the drop down, like US1 is already selected. And see, the important thing is that approval status, it's by default it's showing pending approval. So the approval will be done through the manager, so it's by default showing pending. So come to the item label. So here we put the item from the list for which we are going to create the requisition. So in list we just take any one of item, suppose like AC001, quantity 1, and the rate, estimated amount or rate, just change it from like 150. So rate was changed. If you need, you can add more multiple item by clicking the add button, or you just save, and we click on save, and the requisition was created, and the pop-up message will display that confirmation transaction successfully saved. So requisition number is 40 and it shows pending approval. So approval will be done through purchase manager. So you just remember that number is, requisition number is 40, not down. So right, just change the role as a purchase manager. Now my role was as purchase manager. The dashboard was already changed. Here is the reminders of purchase manager is like this, and the KPI meter is there for sale order, and there is weekly order trend, key performance indicator, which was set, and there is navigation portlet for the shortcuts. So basically we are here to approve the requisition. So in the second reminder is that for requisition to approve, just click on that, So our requisition number is 40. So last one is our requisition. Just go to edit. So the form was opened and the target is to approve that requisition. So here is the approval status. So if the manager needs some clarification or to change, he can do. He have the authority to change like quantity, amount, anything, any field. So we just go to the approval, pending approval. It should be changed through approved. So the purchase manager who have the authority to approve will selected the approve and just save it. So the requisition has been approved by manager. The process is complete. Now the purchase manager will convert that requisition to purchase order. So see here we see the button of create purchase order. So by clicking this create purchase order, we just convert that purchase requisition into purchase order. So click on create purchase order. So our requisition number is already taken 40. That is our requisition. So here we need to select the requisition number, that is one line item is only, so that it displayed one. So I have to select the vendor. So this purchase order will belongs to one vendor, so which we select from the drop down like all steel. Just select all steel. So vendor have been selected and just submit. So when you click submit, this order purchase order requisition was saved and ready to convert in purchase order. So there is two buttons like refresh and OK. So these we need to just click on refresh as it was converting and the converted. Yes, the status was completed from the PO as it was created and number was generated, that 1313513. This is our requisition and approval shows. Just click on this number. So the purchase order will be displayed. Yes, this is our purchase order which was created by the requisition. So in this purchase order we see that PO number 13515 and the vendor name is all steel, subsidiary US1, location already taken. So we have to receive this order. So just click on receive. Just click on receive and the reference number is 5420 and the purchase order is 13515. So it was just click on save and item receive has been done. If you need, you can change the quantity as required. So we selected one quantity so that the whole item can be received. So see the confirmation transaction successful, item received has been completed, and you can see the GL impact also. Click on action and go to the GL impact. Yes, so these two GLs are hit, inventory and current liability, other accruals. Okay, now the job was done through controller. Select US controller